What's up guys, welcome back to another new video. So today I'm gonna show you how to get sniffer eggs in Minecraft. So basically the sniffer is a new mob introduced in Minecraft 1.20 update, Trails and Tails. Its main purpose is to sniff and dig up ancient seeds like torchflower seeds and pitcher pods. But before using a sniffer, you need to find and hatch a sniffer egg. So where can we find a sniffer egg. So there is currently only one location where sniffer eggs are naturally generated, and that is suspicious sand in warm ocean ruins. Warm oceans are found in warm and lukewarm oceans, including their deep variants. Warm oceans are typically located near the deserts, savannas, and badlands. Lukewarm oceans are near jungles and savannas. So the thing is, we can identify the ocean type by looking the color of the water. Lukewarm oceans have light blue water, and warm oceans have aquamarine colored water, and are only biome that features coral reefs. So let me show you the coral reefs. Here we can see the coral reefs, and they're only found in the warm oceans that have aquamarine colored water. So warm ocean ruins are built from cut sandstone and light blue terracotta with suspicious sand mixed in at the base. These ruins can be single hut or a group of huts resembling a village for the drowned. As you can see, typically 1 to 2 drowns spawn per building, sometimes 3 to 4. Once cleared, drowns are less likely to respawn due to lower oceanic spawn rates. So what we can use is a command called locate structure oceanic ruin warm. So what this does is give you coordinates to the nearest warm oceanic ruin. And if we hit enter, it shows us some coordinates. And if we go towards that, we can easily get to a structure like this one. Oh shit, he got on fire. Furthermore, what you can also do is visit a website called chunk base, and here what you can do is just enter the seed of your world, and you can check whether how far you are from an oceanic ruin, either warm or cold. So coming back to the game, let me just set the time to noon. Okay, so the thing is, as we have found suspicious sand, first you need to differentiate. This right here is a suspicious sand block, and this is just regular sand. So when we use a brush on a suspicious sand, it just gives away the hidden things inside there. So here we got a prize pottery shred, and furthermore this is again a different one than this. You can see the pattern above it, and if we do it again, we got another one. And let's see more. This no, this isn't one. Oh, okay, this one is. Okay, we got another one, and this no, this one. If we do it again, okay, it's TNT. Well, you get how we can use the brush to excavate and extract the item. So basically, you don't have to use a pickaxe because it will just break the block and you won't get anything. You need to use the brush tool and right click or hold the use button to extract the items. For testing, each hut usually contains 1 to 4 suspicious sand blocks, so aim for the larger ones for a better chance. There is a 6.7% chance of finding a sniffer egg, so on average, it takes about 16 tries to get one. And the last step to get sniffer egg is by breeding sniffers, so I'm gonna show you in a sec. Here we can see I have two sniffers. So what I'm gonna do is feed each of them torch flower seeds. So one and two, and now they're just breeding, and we can easily get a sniffer egg somewhere here. Where is it? Oh, I got another one. I already had two, so this is how you can just get sniffer eggs as they enter the love mode as an item. So that was pretty much for this video, guys. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for further content. See you in my next video soon. Goodbye.